Today I am going to share quick and easy bread snacks recipe. Kids' favorite snacks. Filling preparation. Potato 1 cup boiled and mashed. Shredded chicken 1 cup. Shredded carrots, a half cup. Chopped cabbage 1 cup. Green chickpeas, a half cup. Mixed bell pepper, a half cup. Butter 2.5 tablespoon. Soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Chili sauce 2 teaspoon. Mustard paste 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Mix together. Done. White bread. Chicken and veggie mixture as required. Follow the steps. Some are triangles and some are square shapes. Egg wash. Breadcrumbs. Done. Fry until golden brown. Flip. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.